Welcome to Ford PowerForce Tech Talk. In this series, we'll focus on tips to help you fix Ford and Lincoln vehicles right the first time. Variable camshaft timing, or VCT, controls the engine's camshafts. VCT systems offer important benefits: fuel economy and lowered emissions, as well as improved performance and idle quality. The VCT system inputs signal information to the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, through the camshaft position sensor and crankshaft position sensor. This closed-loop communication helps improve performance in various driving conditions. It also helps with diagnostics of the VCT system. Diagnosing a modular VCT system can be a challenge because multiple systems or components can cause the same symptoms. For example, an electrical circuit diagnostic trouble code, or DTC, can be caused by a sensor or circuit issue. It can also be caused by hydraulic or component issues affecting the VCT system, making a circuit-related DTC difficult to diagnose. Some of the concerns that customers bring up, such as the check engine light is on, running rough at idle, and misfiring, are often mistaken for other systems or components. But they could be caused by the VCT system, especially when no specific VCT DTCs are present in the PCM. After verifying the concern, although it may be intermittent, the first step in diagnosing a potential VCT issue is to check engine oil level and condition. Engine oil in good condition is necessary for proper VCT performance, and contaminated oil might be the cause of the concern. If you perform an oil and filter change to address a VCT-related issue, save the oil and filter in an approved container. The condition of the oil and material found inside the oil filter may be needed later to help assess other potential issues that affect the VCT system. If lack of maintenance isn't the problem, check the maintenance history, especially the warranty and repair history, for signs of recurring drivability issues. Then, it's time to perform some preliminary diagnostic steps to see if any VCT issues might be causing the customer's concern. Motorcraft Mass Airflow, or MAF Sensors, are the only MAF sensors that Ford Motor Company recommends for use in Ford and Lincoln vehicles. Motorcraft's new and remanufactured MAF sensors help optimize fuel consumption and emissions to help ensure vehicles meet various state emissions requirements. They come ready to plug and play with no need for modifications, help to save you installation time and your customer money. Their tight tolerance ranges help minimize repeat repairs and false check engine warnings, and they include any OE design innovations and upgrades, providing a component that's equal or superior to the original part. And when you're choosing parts for all of your repairs, remember that Motorcraft parts feature a 2-year, unlimited mileage warranty. That's all for this post. Thanks for watching, and check out the rest of our series of installation and repair tips for Ford and Lincoln vehicles. For more information on Ford or Motorcraft parts, contact your Ford or Lincoln dealer or distributor, or visit fordparts.com.